Laurence. So why do you believe music has the power to heal and unite in a way that words cannot?
Oh, thanks so much, Victoria. This is great to be here. Um, you know, music is an aspect of our awareness, of our experience that connects deeply to our heart, directly to our heart. People are not only touched by music, they're moved to action. Their entire awareness, entire feeling, experience can be changed through a song. People can be brought to tears by music, but it's not just what you experience, but then our heart is the core of our life force, our action. So when we're deeply touched by something, then we're moved to act. We're moved to change the way we see the world. Music is so powerful. It's so profound. Historically, when there have been important movements that have impacted the world, music has been right there in the core of it. And this is a time when, more than any in all of history, the world is poised for a change, and we're moving from a world of historical conflicts beyond anything we've ever seen. But now, all around the world, there's such a strong desire and a strong push to leave those conflicts behind us, not just on the individual level, but even on a governmental levels. This is the time it's going to happen, and music can play a really important role.
So what is the core message of Peace Stars and why should people care about it?
You know, Peace Stars is a vehicle to help allow music to play such a significant role. There are 110 and even more major violent conflicts going on around the world right now. If you ask anyone, probably most people wouldn't be able to list more than a half a dozen, but this is happening, and we as a human family uh, are becoming more aware of the situation of our brothers and sisters all around the world. If people in your family were being murdered, you'd want to do something about it. Well, that's the truth. That's exactly what's going on right now. So we want to educate the entire world about the kinds of violence that is happening, and we want to show that that violence, even though it's rooted in historic enmity, is not necessary. Uh, it's not unavoidable. This is something that we can put an end to if we can grow our perception and grow our awareness and really begin to see each other as family, as siblings. And through music, we can show that there's a very clear way to reach across and to go beyond and to build a vision of peace and harmony.
So why is the first project focused on Nigeria and what story are we trying to tell?
Well, Nigeria is an amazing country. Nigeria has the potential to really transform all of Africa. It's far and away the largest population. It's like double even the next largest country in the country. And it's got such talent, such creativity, so much resources. And right in the heart of Nigeria, uh, this historic conflict between Islam and Christianity has been really plaguing that country and hampering Nigeria's ability to rise up and to really help launch a whole new Africa. So this can have huge impact way beyond just Nigeria. but for all of Africa, and Africa, I think, can profoundly impact the whole world.
Mm-hmm. So how will this campaign and the music video help spread the message of peace?
Well, let's break that apart, right? So first, this music video, which we will develop, will be a pilot. This is something substantial, something real, something important, and we want to create something that will deeply touch the hearts of everyone who sees it and move them and inspire them. But based on the successful pilot project, which will be successful, we'll have something very substantial that we can show to the corporate community, to the foundation community, to wealthy donors around the world, to be able to inspire a broad base of support. We want to be able to establish sponsorship that will allow us to continue this competition for an ongoing basis, year after year after year. And each year, my personal goal, is to achieve a minimum of 7 similar videos based on the model of this pilot, each one shining a light and showing a way beyond existing conflicts all around the world. We're going to end up with a whole channel of beautiful, deeply touching music videos, professionally created, that can show the world where we're going and what we have to accomplish to achieve peace.
So a path to peace through music. So what would you say to someone watching this who is considering donating, and why is their support so important?
Well, the beginning contribution certainly has the greatest impact. Down the road, a contribution may not change things much, but at the beginning, we're just getting this started. It will have such a multiplier impact, and the amount that we need in order to create this video, $65,000 is our goal. That's not very much in terms of this kind of a project. So even a small contribution will significantly help us to more quickly get to that point. And of course, each person who contributes has a network. They can also reach out to others and multiply their contribution. But we will get to that $65,000 very quickly, certainly this year. And then next year, we will launch the project, the competition itself.